Do you like the detox?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you recommend it to others?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
What I did is, I don't know if it was because I stopped taking all those supplements, I immediately stopped feeling nauseous. I have better sleep, and I think part of it is because I'm also making a concerted effort to going to bed earlier. So I'm not waking up at like 4:30 in the morning, and that's the biggest change, I think. I'm not waking up at 4 or 5 in the morning and then going, what am I doing here? And I don't have, I've had 1 or 2 nights like that. But that's about it.
Not waking up to pee, not tossing
No,
and turning.
I do wake up to pee, but I go right back to sleep. But the problem was, if I wake up around 4 or 5,
you can't go back to sleep.
you can't go back to sleep. Okay, or couldn't.
But now you're able to.
Now I'm able to.
Okay, so and all that means is the liver still hasn't quite cleared the trash, waste, and debris out of the tissues just yet. Okay. And you're still working on it. I mean, you're only halfway through, essentially, a little bit more over halfway point of the detox. Okay. But essentially, with your sleep at an 8 means you're getting good sleep. Your stress is under a 7. That means that your body's cortisol levels are starting to stabilize out, which will help your hormone and your metabolism. Mental clarity, though, being low and energy at 7.5 means that your body's just internalizing. So that means 1 extra shake a day that we can throw in there, or an extra protein meal a day moving forward. And lastly, we want to push the bowels a little bit more. Okay. And so you just take a little extra of the intestinal cleanse number 1. And also, I think you have, you have Arginex.
Yeah, I've been taking that religiously
every day. Will flush those kidneys, and I think you have Colax, right? So let's take a little extra Colax just to kind of help push the trash
so
through.
Would you say what? Half at night?
Just 1 at night.
One at night?
And just push it through and watch. I mean, email me in a couple of days, but you're going to go, energy's just going to skyrocket.
What I've noticed is my mental clarity is better. But I don't feel like I'm in the fog, but I feel because I have so much coming at me, I have sometimes what I feel is like I don't have the bandwidth to deal with all of it, although I'm managing that better.
So we call that the stress is the same, but your ability to manage it's better. And the reason for that is because your body has deburdened itself. So when I look at my chart, if this is the vitality tree, how do I give a person more energy, vitality, and longevity? I've got to get into the root system. Getting into the root system allows replenishment, and we can do vitamins, minerals. You're doing that with the vegetables, you're doing that with the protein, the shakes. Then we deburden the tissues with the shakes and the supplements to help phase 1, phase 2 liver detoxification, and then we're rebuilding cellular health. By replenishing, we rebuild. By deburdening, we can rebuild. That puts you into what I call the I feel good phase, which you would say you're there.
But yeah, I mean, I'm feeling better than what I did for sure for months.